Hi there, welcome to the Money Moves channel. We're here to share with you how to make more income with our Money Moves in series. Do you want to make some investment with your spare money, but don't know how to start? Spaceship Voyager is an investment app designed for beginner or low-effort investors. It offers the ability to invest in portfolios aligned with personal values. It provides a user-friendly interface, low fees, and a minimum investment of just $5. They will charge you fee if your balance is over $100. The fees include a $2 monthly fee, plus a management fees based on portfolio type. The management fee for the Spaceship universe and both portfolios is 0.50% per year, while the Origin portfolio charges 0.15% per year. The pros is Spaceship Voyager is good for beginner or low-effort investors. The app offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and invest. The minimum investment amount is only $5. The cons is there are limited investment choices, no guarantee of sustained high returns. If you want to try it out, click the link into the description and go to this registration page, and you will get $10 after you invest $5. Hope this tip will help you. If you want to know more about the similar topics, please click the bell and subscribe, and please share with our Money Moves about what is your tips or your journey how to make more money in the comment section below. Thank you all.